You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him nigger.
Yeah, what is this life that I'm living? What is this life? Yo, hey, headaches. You know what? I should have went home. I should have went Kwale, ka collect Harry's peggy, ka ikela gai. Because I had no business coming here. Absolutely none. Because Ranjali kijali donut, ko umpoch. Good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Saturday. I was supposed to go run. I was supposed to wake up at 6 a.m. I was supposed to be there gijiming because I'm gijim. Mara, I was up all night. Talking to my man. I was up all night talking to my man. Yeah, but also I knew very well that I was not gonna go. Wake up so I can run. Yo, I don't know, I'm just not there yet. But yeah, so now I wanna take a shower and go have breakfast because it's a beautiful day. Like more PE whether I really saw, we take advantage. We go out, because it's not every day that it's like this outside. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take a shower and go out and have some breakfast.
You can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
They see my bitch, say she a bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face.
That time. Wafisha banda. Oh my god. Damn. Wafisha, like wafisha. I think get 33. Fisha mo. Wafisha, mama ta wafisha. Auna le moya. Wafisha. I think ke 33.5. Yo. Auna le moya, go tsile moya ka mokoloi because go tsena moya go fisha fela. Fisha ntong.
Could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in, you knew we couldn't fall back. Knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
What? Let it not go unsaid today. Wafisha. Koleka yafisha wafisha. What is this weather? Since ke fitla mo PE asanga wafisha so ke mathomo gore ke mathomo ke go ka re ke gae le mbobo go afisha. Yo, what am I going to do? Maybe I should go to Moffat and Main and buy an umbrella and then go to the beach because there's no other way. If I can tell you one thing, being indoors, I depression, so I don't like being indoors anymore. When I can, I try to go outside. I really try to go outside, not because I'm running away from anything by being indoors and being alone, but because life is much better outside the house. So. Oh, yini guys. Yo. Yindon, let's go. Yo.
Volando moschelas.
Put it down. She will ignore.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Avoid you, only been like months. I go fast and you go in. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Natalie Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too brown. Will you be my lady?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome, baby. Yo, hey, so I got home and then I took a shower and I also washed my hair because nina le mabu and like in a problem ya dandruff. So yeah, so I so much just since I was in a towel. So yeah, so dinwabe down. I had such an amazing day. I had a very lovely day, and like I think that's what I said earlier on, Gary. Having to experience your emotions as they are, as they come. Like when you're having a sad day, you're having a sad day. When you're happy, you're happy. And today just happens to be one of those days where I woke up in a very positive mood, and yeah, I was supposed to go for a run, but I was too exhausted. Now I was so exhausted, and I was up talking to my man. I think I did mention that earlier on. And no, I'm not dating anyone at the moment, but yes, I am talking to someone. I am talking to someone and I like him. I love him so much. Turn it down. But yeah, no, I'm not dating anyone yet. I am talking to someone I like so much. Yeah, and I think maybe that's most probably what got me in a good mood, because yeah, still fresh way too. Like I think maybe that's why I get excited like this, because it's still very fresh. Also, it's not every day that I like someone, and I like this person. Now this one I can get married to and spend the rest of my life with him. Because he's my man. He's my man. He's my person. He's my person. Nah, he is my person. He is my person. He's my personal person. Yeah, but otherwise, dinwabe down. you know, we're down. I'm just going to what now? I think I'm just gonna finish reading It Starts With Us because I'm left with like 4 pages, and then go to bed and talk to my man. Le mo matading, le new problem, because gone gesan, gone girl. I just start talking to someone and you can feel it in your gut. This is the love of my life. But anyway, it's not like this person is new in my life anyway. So yeah, that's why I know he's my personal person. And that's why I know that I like him down. But yeah. Dinwabili. Call me Nwabis. I think maybe this comes with meeting my friend. This is why, because you are about to enter an era in your life where you're gonna be Nwabi girl. You're going to be Nwabo mal. My best friend is a blessing to me because her name is Nwabisa, and now anyway guys, machero. So yeah, machero.
I've been so long, we doing years. It's me, you are the star. So even though I was like the last out of moment. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no shit, no more. I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. But baby, you should know this. I ain't going. But you should have known it. I wasn't going. I know you know this not change, but I'll be the one that always and ever.
Alrighty, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome, baby. Hey, I guess I'm not a guy, baby. I think Ilelona. But yeah. So today is Sunday. I just wanted to change my bedding, and I didn't have time. Because I want to take my car to the car wash. Today was feature, so I am sure go the car wash would I actually wanted to go to the car wash way earlier than this because 11 Ranijal. So I wanted to go kapelanyana, but go change bedding. Like for as long as I change bedding, the rest is one. I have laundry, senjiki pute, I have to fold and whatever, but I can do that when I come back. So I'm gonna go to the car wash, and then maybe while they wash my car, I hope I can make it to Loop for breakfast. And then after that, maybe I'll go to Halo because I broke both my tripods. So yeah, so I think I'll go to Halo and look for tripods, and then that's about it. This weather wants to make me Karabo Disney beach girl Mashamwani, because what is this heat? but I'm not sure. I'll see if I'll be able to go to the beach as well today. I'm just gonna go wash the car, go to Halo, come back and then finish up, put a laundry and whatever, like get ready for the week. And then if I still have like time after that, maybe then I can go to that beach. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go take a shower and we'll see what happens, where the mini leads. And yeah, I hope you're good. I hope you're having a Sunday, a nice, a lovely, full of love and stuff. And yeah, so let me go take a shower.
And let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off, somehow she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me.
Shem, I'm not gonna win. I don't know negative playing because
every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark blue, purple, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis.
welcome back to my channel. Yo, Bomeza. My day did not go as planned because one thing about my day, if I plan my day, it does not always play out that way. So yeah. Hey my sister, I'm very far. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, how are you? Okay, sharp. Can I please have I got a plan. Car wash, breakfast, Halo, beach. Car wash full. The car wash and it makes so much sense because the sun is out and we hardly get this weather here in PE, so people are just trying to get their car washed. People who are serious, people who wake up early in the morning to go to the car wash. So yeah, so I couldn't go to Loop. I went straight to Halo, and then somewhere I went to Clicks because I needed something, go Clicks, and then I ended up going to Woolies because I felt like I needed something, go Woolies. Okay, cool. Now I'm hungry. It's not almost actually 1:30 on the dot, and it's very good. So now we go to sit down. It's not gonna work because I want to go home and clean. And yeah, so my heart almost stopped because what is this now? What is this now? I'm so hungry. I'm just trying to get something to eat now, then go home and clean. I wish I could get home and cook, but I don't like cooking. Cooking is not for me. Cooking is not my thing. And I don't want to get a lunch. Otherwise, I. So let's see what I got. I got this. I don't know why I got a bottle of wine. I got this. So firstly, I got this beach bag. And then I got a tripod because my tripod. Yeah, so I got a tripod. I also got one for Slender Summer Million because she asked me to buy her a tripod. So yeah, and then I also got a vlogging one because my other one is wearing. And then I'm taking my beach experience to another level. So I added a Bluetooth speaker, and then I got these, and then I got this, and then I also got this, and yeah.
The way you steal my jacket when it's cold and turn and hug me just to keep.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something new that's been further down the rabbit hole. Down I go, down I go. Ooh. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking.
Who hit the club and his cups full of jealousy? We in the bag and we might get a deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. That burn the blood, she's not coming shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Now she gets away. She gets away. what does she want over whatever. See the dark skin girls with the light skin crew. Probably see you. She the light skin girl with the light skin crew. Count over the three. I'm still saying this bitch knows like crazy Lord. She gets down just like crazy Lord. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's away.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This tripod is driving me nuts. Let's see if it lady. Let me take it high. Yeah. I am a Chelsea babe through and through. I'm a Chelsea babe through and through. Like, if you know, you know. My car's name is also Chelsea. I don't watch football. Done cleaning, I'm just gonna listen to music and watch vlogs and take a shower, and that's about it. So yeah, I am so lazy to edit this vlog. Like, is it Unena or Unena? You and that's cause I said dinner. So, but yeah, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. From Enzo and I. Good night. I'll see you in the next one.